Hello champ, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Today I am solving ISI MSQMS Objective 2024 paper. That means Indian Statistical Institute and a Master of Science in Quality Management Science entrance examination paper. If you need to take classes from our side and if you need to take doubt clearing session or previous year question solution, mock test, study material, you can don't hesitate, you can call and WhatsApp on this number. Okay, let's start to this session with question number 14. Here the 14 says the domain of the function fx equals to log base 2x minus 5 x square minus x minus 6 is which option is to be the correct, A, B or C and D. So how can I solve this problem? Let's start. In logarithm, step 1, in logarithm we can be, this function can be written as x square minus x minus 6 divided by 2x minus 5. Okay, so here the factorize the numerator portion. What will be the value? X square minus x minus 6, the value will be x minus 3 into x plus 2. Okay, and determine the argument of logarithm is positive or not. The argument of logarithm must be positive because logarithm only define the positive values. So x minus 3 x plus 2 by 2x minus 5 greater than 0. So find the critical points. So let's find out. X minus 3 into x plus 2 equals to 0. That means x equals to 3 and x equals to minus 2, and other findings are 2x minus 5 equals to 0. That means x equals to 5 by 2. Okay, x equals to 5 by 2, and so determine the intervals of the positivity. The x minus 3 by x into x plus 2 by 2x minus 5 changes the critical points. We analyze the sign each interval created by 3 points. What are the 3 points? First one is minus infinity to minus 2, comma minus 2 to minus 5 by 3, sorry, 5 by 2, and 5 by 2, and the values are sorry 5 by 3 because of 2 plus 1 here, because of the critical point. This point can be not 2, this is a 2 plus 1, that means the value will be 3. So 5 by 3 and 5 by 3 comma 3 and 3 comma infinite. So intervals of minus 2, what is the first interval? At interval minus infinity to minus 2, so choose x equals to minus 3. So x minus 3 by into x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 5. That means what will be the value? minus 3 minus 3 and minus 3 plus 2 and 2 into minus 3 minus 5 divided by minus 6 into minus 1 into minus 6 minus 5. So here that is the answer will be minus 6 by 11, that is a negative. This interval does not satisfy the condition, so this is false. And second interval is minus 2 comma minus 5 by 3. So choose x equals to 0, that means x minus 3 into x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 5. So what will be the value? Minus 3 into 2 divided by minus 5, that means minus 6 by minus 5, that means 1.2, that is greater than equals to 0. So this interval satisfy the condition. Okay, this interval is satisfy the condition. And the third interval is 5 by 3 comma 3, that means choose x equals to 2, that means x minus 3 into x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 5. So what will be the value? 2 minus 3, 2 plus 2 means 2 into 2 minus 5. So minus 1 into 4 divided by minus 1. So the answer is 4, that is greater than equals to 0. So this interval satisfies the condition. And the number 4 is interval 3 comma infinite. Choose x equals to 4, that means x minus 3 into x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 5, that means 4 minus 3 into 4 plus 2, 2 into 4, that means the value will be 1 into 6 divided by 8 minus 5, means 6 by 3, that means 2 is a positive number. And the last and final steps, combine the intervals. The function fx log x square minus x minus 6 divided by 2x minus 5. This define the positive intervals between minus 2 comma 5 by 3 and 5 by 3 comma 3 and 3 comma infinite. So thus the combined domain excluding the points where the expression is 0 is undefined as minus 2 by minus 2 5 by 3 union 5 by 3 comma 3 union 3 comma infinite. So however the relevant intervals excluding 0 crossing, the domain is, what will be the domain? minus infinity to minus 2 union 5/3 comma infinity. So here option, which option is correct? Here option D is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so that's all for today. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and your family. Stay connected with us, and we will meet you in next session soon. Thank you.